Now let's consider this example. The probability that 3 girls win their respective races are 1 over 3, 3 over 5, and m. So let the three girls be probably J1, J2, and then J3. Now, so the probability that the first girl wins her race, that will be 1 over 3. So let's see, probability that the first girl doesn't win the race, that will be 1 minus 1 over 3. And this is just 2 over 3. Now, the probability that the second girl wins her race is 3 over 5. Now, the probability that she doesn't win her race, that will be what? 1 minus 3 over 5. And this is just 2 over 5. Now, we are also given the probability that the third girl wins her race is m. Hence, the probability that the third girl will not win, so this is the third girl will not win her race, that will be 1 minus the probability that it wins the race, which is m. So we have 1 minus m. Now, what are we given? We are given that if the probability that only one of them wins her race, so you are being given probability only one wins her race, that is equal to 1 over 3. Now, only one. So it means that if the first person wins, the second person will not win, and the third person will not win. Or it can also be that the first person will not win, but the second person will win, and then the third person will not win. Why? Only one. Or the first person will not win, second will not win, and then the third person wins. Now, and this all should be equal to 1 over 3. So here, the probability that the first girl will win her race, that is 1 over 3. So we have 1 over 3. Then the probability that the second girl will not, so that will be 2 over 5. The third girl will not, that is 1 minus m, or plus. The first girl will not, so that is 2 over 3. The second girl will, that is 3 over 5. And then the third girl will not, that is 1 minus m, or plus. The first girl will not, that is 2 over 3. The second girl will not, that is 2 over 5. And then the third girl will, that is m. And this all should be equal to 1 over 3. Now let's make all the LCM the same, so we shouldn't cancel out. So here 1 times 2, that is 2. 3 times 5, 15. 1 minus m, plus 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 5, we have 15. 1 minus m, plus 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 5, 15 m, equal to 1 over 3. Now, what is the LCM? The LCM is 15, so I have to multiply each term by the LCM, which is 15. So we have 15 times 2 over 15, we have 1 minus m, plus 15 times 6 over 15, 1 minus m, plus 15 times 4 over 15 m, 15 times 1 over 3. 3 going to itself 1, 3 going to 15, that is 5 times. Now let's see, this will cancel that, this will cancel that, this will cancel that. So we have 2, 1 minus m, plus 6, 1 minus m, plus 4m equal to 5. Let's expand, but then nonetheless, look at this. This 1 minus m, the same thing. So 2, 1 minus m, plus 6, 1 minus m. If you like, you can expand. This is the same as what? 8, 1 minus m, plus 4m equal to 5. We can expand from here. 8 minus 8m plus 4m equal to 5. Let's group like terms. Let's this. go here. So you have negative 8m plus 4m equal to 5 minus 8. Now negative 8m plus 4m, that's negative 4m. 5 minus 8, that is negative 3. We want to find m, so we divide both sides by what is multiplying the 3. The m, which is m, will be equal to negative 3 all over negative 4. This will cancel this, so we have 3 all over 4. This is very, very trivial. You just have to take your time and work everything out. You'll be able to get it. No pain, no gain. Make sure you subscribe.